Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mr.Kay English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunie.
Today we will learn the present perfect tense.
It will make your English sound more natural.
Bunie, how's your day so far?
It has been busy. How about you?
It has been good. I've had coffee and I've answered messages.
Same. I've talked to a few students already.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Comment one line for practice.
Comment, I have blank today.
Or comment, I haven't blank yet. Which one is true for you?
Stop. Quick test. Which one sounds right now? I did my homework or I have done my homework.
If you choose fast, you will sound confident.
Stay with us. In 5 steps, you will decide in 2 seconds.
Step 1. The core form. Have, has, plus past participle.
Step 1 is the base. Present perfect is have or has plus past participle.
Past participle is V3. Example, eat, eaten, do, done, go, gone.
Simple rule to remember. Have, has plus V3. No finish time. Result now.
Good. Let's build it.
Use have with I, you, we, they. I have finished. You have started. We have practiced. They have arrived.
Use has with he, she, it. He has finished. She has started. It has arrived.
Short forms are very common. I finished. You've started. We've practiced. They've arrived.
He's finished. She's started. It's arrived.
Now negatives. I have not finished.
He has not arrived.
Short negatives are common too. I haven't finished.
He hasn't arrived.
Now questions. Have you finished?
Has she arrived?
Short answers. Yes, I have. No, I haven't.
Yes, she has. No, she hasn't.
Common mistakes. Don't say, I have finished.
Say, I have finished.
Don't forget the V3.
And don't forget has with he, she, it.
Real-life examples. Many. I have cleaned my desk. I have answered my emails. I have made a cup of tea. I have turned on my computer.
She has opened the window. He has closed the door. It has stopped raining.
We have watched 2 short videos. They have learned new words. Let's use not in real life. I haven't eaten breakfast.
She hasn't finished her work. We haven't started the class. They haven't arrived.
Role play 1. Office check. Hi, Bunny. Have you sent the report?
Yes, I have sent it.
Great. Have you checked the numbers?
Yes, I have checked them.
Have you talked to the client?
Not yet. I haven't talked to him yet.
Okay. Has he replied to your message?
Yes, he has replied.
Good. I have already answered him.
Role play 2. At home. Kay, have you washed your hands?
Yes, I have washed my hands.
Have you cleaned the table?
Yes, I've cleaned it.
Have you taken out the trash?
No, I haven't.
It's okay. I have cooked dinner.
Nice. I have set the plates. We are ready. Step 2. Use #1. Life experience. Ever, never, before, many times. Step 2 is life experience. We use present perfect for things in our life until now.
We do not say the exact time. We talk about experience.
Key words are ever, never, before, once, twice, many times.
Think, in my life.
Examples. I have been to the beach.
I have visited a museum.
I have eaten sushi.
I have tried hot pot.
I have met a new friend.
I have watched this movie before.
Ever is common in questions. Have you ever tried spicy noodles?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever been on a plane?
No, I haven't.
Never is strong. I have never smoked.
She has never driven a car.
We have never missed a class.
They have never visited my city.
Before is very useful. I have seen this place before.
I have heard this song before.
I have used this app before.
Let's show many times.
I've eaten here many times.
I have studied this word many times.
We have practiced this pattern many times.
Step 2 slogan.
No time equals life experience.
Good. Easy to remember.
Role play 1. Cafe talk.
Bunie, have you ever tried cheese foam tea?
Yes, I have. I have tried it once. I have never tried it. Is it good?
Yes, it is. Have you ever tried iced black coffee?
Yes, I have. I have had it many times.
I have had it before too, but not often.
Have you ever tried decaf coffee?
No, I haven't. I like strong coffee.
Role play 2. New friends.
Bunie, have you ever lived in another city?
Yes, I have. I have lived in 2 cities.
I have never lived in another city.
Have you ever traveled alone?
No, I haven't.
I have traveled alone before.
Have you ever lost your passport?
No, I haven't. That sounds scary.
I have lost my ID once. I was so stressed.
Step 3. Use number 2. Recent news and results now. Just, already, yet.
Step 3 is right now news. The action happened a short time ago, and it matters now.
It is not about life experience. It is about the result now.
Keywords: just, already, yet.
Think fresh news.
Just means a short time ago. I have just arrived.
She has just left.
We have just finished lunch.
They have just started the meeting.
Already means sooner than expected. I have already eaten.
I have already paid.
We have already watched it.
She has already sent the email.
Yet is for questions and negatives. Have you finished yet?
No, I haven't finished yet.
Has she replied yet?
Yes, she has replied.
More daily examples. I have just opened my laptop.
I have already checked my calendar.
We haven't chosen a topic yet.
They haven't joined the call yet.
Have you eaten yet?
Not yet. I haven't eaten yet.
I have already made sandwiches. Step 3 slogan. Just, already, yet equals news right now.
Great. Easy.
Role play 1. Office rush. Bunie, the boss is coming. Have you printed the papers yet?
Yes, I've already printed them.
Great. Have you turned on the projector yet?
Not yet. I haven't turned it on yet.
Okay, I've just talked to the boss.
What did he say?
The meeting has changed. It's now at 3 p.m.
Great. We have more time.
Role play 2. Text messages.
Hey, Kay, where are you now?
I've just got on the bus.
Okay, have you bought the tickets yet?
Yes, I've already bought them.
Nice. I haven't packed my bag yet.
It's okay. I've just packed mine.
Have you eaten yet?
No, I haven't eaten yet.
I have already made sandwiches.
Step 4. Use 3. Started in the past and continues now. For/since plus how long.
Step 4 is time that continues. It started in the past, and it is still true now.
We use for and since. And the best question is how long?
For plus a duration. For 2 days. For 3 weeks. For 5 years.
Since plus a start point. Since Monday. Since 2020. Since this morning.
Examples with for. I have lived here for 5 years.
She has studied English for 6 months.
We have known each other for a long time.
They have worked here for 10 years.
I have waited for 20 minutes.
He has had this phone for 1 year.
Examples with since. I have lived here since 2021.
She has studied English since last month.
We have known each other since school.
They have worked here since January.
I have been busy since 9 a.m.
I have been tired since yesterday.
The golden question. How long have you lived here?
How long has she worked there?
How long have they been married?
How long have you studied English?
Step 4 slogan. For is a duration. Since is a start.
And how long is your best friend.
Role play 1. Doctor visit. Hello, what's the problem today?
I have had a sore throat for 3 days.
How long have you felt tired?
I have felt tired since Monday.
Have you had a fever?
No, I haven't.
Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, I have taken some tea and honey.
Okay, rest and drink water. Role play 2. New neighbor.
Hi, I'm Bunny. I'm new here.
Hi, Bunny. I'm Kay. Welcome.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
Wow, I have lived here since last week.
Have you met the building manager yet?
No, I haven't met him yet.
I can help. I have talked to him many times.
Step 5. Present perfect versus simple past. Fast choice game plus common traps.
Step 5 is the big one. This step will make you speak naturally.
Time words change everything.
Simple past is finished time. We say when, yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, in 2020, on Monday.
Present perfect is not finished time, or time is not said. It connects to now, experience, result, or until now.
One short rule. Past equals finished time. Present perfect equals until now or result now.
Great.
Compare. I ate breakfast at 7 a.m.
I have eaten breakfast.
She called you yesterday.
She has called you.
We watched that movie last night.
We have watched that movie before.
He lost his keys yesterday.
He has lost his keys. He can't open the door now.
Common trap number 1. Don't say, I have done it yesterday.
Say, I did it yesterday.
Or say, I have done it, no time. Common trap number 2. Don't add finished time with present perfect.
Not, she has arrived last night.
Say, she arrived last night. Common trap number 3. Easy A2. He has been means he is here or he returned.
He has gone means he went and he is not here now.
Examples. He has gone to the store, not here.
He has been to the store. He went before, maybe he is back.
Now, quick choice game. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1. I blank see him yesterday.
I saw him yesterday.
Number 2. I blank see him before.
I have seen him before.
Number 3. She blank finish her work already.
She has finished her work already.
Number 4. She blank finish her work at 6 p.m.
She finished her work at 6 p.m.
Number 5. We blank live here since 2022.
We have lived here since 2022.
Number 6. We blank move here in 2022.
We moved here in 2022.
Good. One more set.
Okay.
Number 7. Have you eaten yet?
No, I haven't eaten yet.
Number 8. Did you eat at noon?
Yes, I ate at noon.
Number 9. I have just blank get home.
I have just got home.
Number 10. I blank get home at 9.
I got home at 9.
Now a strong real-life role play.
Let's do it.
Role play 1. Locked door problem. Bunie, I can't open the door.
Why?
I have lost my keys.
Oh no, when did you last see them?
I saw them this morning.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I checked my bag, but they are not there.
Have you checked your pocket yet?
No, I haven't checked it yet.
Check now.
Wait, I have found them. They were in my jacket.
Great, so you lost them, but you have found them now.
Yes, I felt stressed, but I'm okay now. Role play 2. Customer service.
Hi, I ordered a bag, but it is not here.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you order it?
I ordered it last Tuesday.
Thank you. I have found your order.
Has it shipped yet?
Yes, it has. It has just left our warehouse.
Great, I have waited for a week.
I understand. Have you changed your address recently?
No, I haven't.
Okay, you should get it tomorrow. Step 5 slogan. Finish time equals past. No finish time equals present perfect.
Time words decide.
Let's recap the 5 steps. Step 1. Form. Have, has, plus V3.
Step 2. Life experience. Ever, never, before, many times.
Step 3. Recent news and result. Just, already, yet.
Step 4. Continuing time. For, since, and how long.
Step 5. Choose fast. Past for finish time, present perfect for until now.
Now, your turn. Comment one sentence. Use one of these patterns. I have done blank today.
Or, I haven't blank yet.
Or, I have done blank since blank.
Thanks for watching Mr.Kay English Channel.
Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
See you next time.
Bye.